Welcome back to my channel. My cookie jar is empty, so today I'm going to be making peanut butter cookies. Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how it's done. For starters, go ahead and preheat that oven to 350. You're going to need peanut butter, brown sugar, salt, egg, and vanilla extract. The recipe will be linked down below in the description box. Now first, what you want to do is you want to mix up your brown sugar with your egg, your vanilla extract, and you want to mix that up really well and make sure it's nice and smooth. Next, you're going to go in, drop in that salt, add your peanut butter. I'll be using a brand called Laura Scudder's, but just use whatever peanut butter that you have. And you just want to dunk that down in the bowl and go ahead and mix that up really well. And feel free to taste it if you like. It tastes really good. Trust me, it's really good. So now go ahead and line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. But if you do not have parchment paper, then just use cooking spray. Now, you want to roll a spoonful amount of batter into your hand and just roll that up really good and drop that bad boy down on that cookie sheet. So I'm just going to continue on. I'm going to spoon a spoonful of batter into the palm of my hand and just roll that around and drop that down onto the cookie sheet. I was able to get about 13 cookies from the cookie dough. Here I'm just simply arranging my cookies just to make sure that everything will fit. Okay, so once this is done, you want to go in with the fork. Make sure you put some flour on the fork and you want to just press down into the cookies. You're going to make like a nice little, like an X shape. I guess that's what it looks like. But you're just going to press down with the fork. And like I said, just make sure that you have placed flour onto, or make sure that you've put flour onto the fork, or it will, unfortunately, it's going to stick. And the entire batter, the entire little cookie ball is going to lift with the fork. So just make sure you place some flour on it. So now that this is all done, you want to go ahead and place it in the oven, and you're going to bake this for about 18 minutes or until the cookies are like a nice pretty golden brown color. They're already brown, but you'll know once they're done, trust me. So this is all done. So you want to place the cookies on a cooling rack, but if you don't have a cooling rack, don't worry about that. Just leave it on the cookie sheet and just let it sit for about 10 minutes and it's gonna cool off. So here, look, okay, look, I wanted some ice cream. Now, I'm not sure if butter pecan is like a good choice with peanut butter cookies, but look, I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna make this work, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I went ahead and I plated this up because my babies, my beautiful family, they are in the background and they are standing there with their hand out because they want to try these delicious cookies. So I have to feed my babies and my husband, that's my baby too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a like and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure that you click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another easy, simple recipe. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.
Your buns.
Navy, you're right. This towel does make a big difference.
Stand over like that. Elise,
See what you made me do?